What happens when you put a ball on a turntable and then start spinning the turntable? Intuitively, you might expect the ball to be flung from the turntable. That's certainly what I thought would happen. But look, instead, the ball goes into a kind of circular motion on the plate. The ball does eventually slide off the turntable, but it takes ages. Compare that to the behaviour of a penny. As we would expect, the penny slides from the turntable. Or a toy car. If the toy is pointing outwards, it flies off the turntable quite quickly. But even if it's pointing tangentially, it still leaves the turntable. What about if we start the ball off-centre? Well, if we simply drop the ball onto the turntable, then it flies off. But what if I hold the ball in position so it gets up to speed and then let go? By the way, this is a child-sized pool ball as opposed to a giant hand. Look, when I let go, the ball just sits there. And maybe that's the first clue as to what's going on, actually. But before we dive in, look what happens when I give the ball a little nudge. We're now back to that circular motion, except this time it's not circling around the centre of the turntable, which is quite surprising. And here's something really crazy. Let's compare how long it takes for the turntable to turn versus the ball to go round one of those circular orbits. I'll count the turntable turns out loud. You keep an eye on the ball orbits. 1, 2...